Welcome, military enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of legendary artillery systems, the BM-21 Grad. I'm your host, Truman, and we're about to explore the remarkable capabilities of this devastating power of rocket artillery. The Grad launcher is typically mounted on the chassis of a wheeled truck. This provides mobility to the system, allowing it to be rapidly deployed and repositioned. Imagine a bank of 40 launch tubes, each loaded with unguided rockets ready to rain chaos. Those rockets? They're 122mm beasts. The Grad system can fire them up to 52 kilometers away. Picture the ground trembling as 40 rockets scream toward their target. Since its debut in 1964, the BM-21 Grad has seen action in countless conflicts, from the Sino-Soviet border clash to the Syrian civil war. It's a battle-hardened workhorse. So next time you hear the thunderous roar of the BM-21 Grad, remember, it's more than just rockets. It's the devastating power of artillery raining down. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay vigilant.